Welcome viewers to the legal segment of Sitare TV. This is attorney Sweta Khandelwal, practicing US Immigration and Nationality law right here in Santa Clara. Today we'll talk about the ever popular H1B visas and the H1B quota. Beginning April 1st, 2012, USCIS will begin accepting H1B visas for the fiscal year 2013. So those who get selected for the H1B quota can start working on the H1B visa starting October 1st, 2012. Now, most of us know that there are 65,000 H1B visas available. Out of these, 6,500 visas are reserved for nationals of Chile and Singapore. Additionally, there are 20,000 H1B visas reserved for those who have a master's or higher education from the United States. Now, the H1B quota for last year, that is fiscal year 2012, was officially announced as closed on November 23, 2011. Now, while it's almost impossible to determine exactly when will the quota for the current year close, the recent upturn in the economy and the general boost to hiring kind of suggests that it is likely that the quota will close sooner rather than later. So it's important for both employers and employees to have the paperwork ready and in place and to file the petitions as soon as possible. It's again important that the petitions are prepared accurately and thoroughly so that they are not rejected for procedural or filing reasons. Now, an interesting part of the H1B quota is that nobody exactly knows how many H1B visas will actually remain available under the general category. This is because the unused H1B numbers from the Chile and Singapore quota for last year are added to the current H1B quota, general quota this year. And the USCIS does not disclose the exact number of visas that were issued to nationals of Chile and Singapore the previous year. So this leaves everybody guessing as to the exact number of H1B visas available under the general quota for the current year. So this explains the rush and the urgency and the uncertainty that is associated towards the end of the filing season, because the actual number of H1Bs that are available is a mystery, is something that people don't really know about. Regardless of the fact, this is the time for both employers and employees to start gathering paperwork, ensuring that their paperwork and other formalities are in order, and to ensure that the paperwork that they file is accurate, correct, and timely. Let the countdown for the H1B begin. So again, if you have any questions, suggestions or comments, especially about the H1B visas or any questions regarding eligibility, feel free to send me an email at sweta@khandelwallaw.com. See you next week.